In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play FIFA World Cup Launch Edition with friends on Netflix. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Netflix membership and that we're using a supported device with the latest version of the Netflix app. Open the Netflix app and navigate to the game section or search for FIFA World Cup Launch Edition. Select the game and launch it. Once the game loads, sign in if prompted and complete any initial setup. From the main menu, look for the multiplayer, play with friends or invite friends option, depending on the current version of the game. If online multiplayer is supported, you can invite your friends to your Netflix game list or by sharing an invite code. If the game provides one, your friends will need to have the game installed and sign in with their own Netflix accounts to join your session. If you are playing on a supported TV, you may also be able to pair a smartphone as a controller or connect compatible Bluetooth controllers depending on your device. If you don't see multiplayer option, keep in mind that available game modes may vary by platform, device, and game version, and some features may be added or changed through future updates. So that's it. This is how you can play FIFA World Cup Launch Edition with friends on Netflix. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.